Last Thursday, we gathered for a truly remarkable event, the Bariatric Fashion Show. This was not just any fashion show. It was a celebration of courage, resilience, and the power of self-love. Beyond the phenomenal physical transformations, these individuals faced their struggles and battles with weight and self-image. But they embraced these faults, these imperfections, and shortcomings. In the face of adversity, they embraced the challenges, confronted their fears, and emerged as warriors of their own destiny. By undergoing bariatric surgery, they made a truly courageous decision to take control of their health and well-being. They have chosen to prioritize self-care and self-love, and that is truly something to be admired. Their journey has not been easy, but they didn't lose focus and never gave up. They shattered all stereotypes and proved that fashion has no boundaries. To everyone viewing and sharing this clip, and we do like you to share them, I urge you to look beyond the surface, look beyond the external appearances, and see the strength, the courage, and the beauty that lies within each and every one of us. Let this fashion show be a catalyst for change, a reminder that we can all be agents of positivity and acceptance in our lives and in the lives of others. Finally, as we applaud and cheer for these incredible individuals, let us also celebrate our own journey. Let us embrace our uniqueness, our faults, and our imperfections. Let us remember that we are all on a path of growth and self-discovery. Please share this clip with your loved ones.